The 5 stages every trader goes through before becoming profitable. Let me be honest with you. Becoming profitable in trading is not about finding the right strategy. It's about surviving the stages that break most people. Because every trader thinks, once I learn enough, I'll start making money. But that's not how it works. You don't go from beginner to profitable in a straight line. You go through phases. Confusing, frustrating, sometimes painful phases. And most people quit in the middle of them, not because they can't succeed, but because they don't understand where they are. Here's what nobody tells you. Trading is not a skill you learn once. It's a process that forces you to confront yourself, your impatience, your fear, your need for control. And until you go through these stages, you'll keep thinking something is wrong with you. But the truth is, nothing is wrong with you. You're just in a stage you don't yet understand. Stage 1. Excitement, the illusion phase. This is where everyone starts. You discover trading. You see profits online. You watch success stories. You believe this could change your life. Before, everything feels easy. Every setup looks like an opportunity. You think consistency is just one strategy away. But here's the reality. You're not trading, you're hoping. Psychology behind it. Your brain is driven by possibility. You're focused on reward, not risk, and that makes you blind. Example, you take random trades, and one wins big. That win convinces you, I've figured it out. But you haven't. You've just been introduced to luck. Phase 2. Frustration, the reality check. This is where it starts to hurt. You lose money. Again and again. And now you're confused. Before, you believed trading was simple. You thought wins would come quickly. After, nothing works consistently. You start doubting everything. Psychology behind it. Your expectations clash with reality, and that creates frustration. So what do? You search for answers. More strategies, more indicators, more videos. But the problem isn't information, it's inconsistency. Example, you switch strategies every week, not because they don't work, but because you didn't give them time. Stage 3. Overcomplication, the trap phase. This is where most traders get stuck. You think, maybe I just need a better system. So you add more indicators, rules, confirmations. Before, simple trading, clear decisions. After, confusion, hesitation, analysis paralysis. Psychology behind it. You're trying to eliminate uncertainty, but trading is built on uncertainty. So the more you try to control it, the worse it gets. Example, you see a perfect setup, but you wait for one more confirmation, then another. Then you miss the trade, or enter late and lose. Stage 4. Awareness, the turning point. This is where it changes. You start realizing the problem is not the market, it's you. Before, you blamed strategy, you blamed the market, you blamed bad luck. After, you start observing your behavior. You notice patterns in your mistakes. Psychology behind it. This is where ego starts to break and awareness begins. You begin to ask better questions. Why did I take that trade? Why did I ignore my rules? Example, you review your trades and realize most of your losses came from impulsive entries, emotional decisions, breaking your own rules. That realization is uncomfortable, but powerful. Phase 5. Discipline, the identity shift. This is where most people want to be, but few are willing to stay. Because discipline is not exciting, it's repetitive, it's boring, it requires restraint. Before, you relied on motivation, you traded based on feeling. After, you follow rules consistently, you accept losses calmly, you focus on execution. Psychology behind it. You stop trying to feel good and start trying to be consistent. That's when results begin to stabilize. Example, you take fewer trades, but better ones. You don't chase the market, you wait for it. and slowly your equity curve starts to change. Let me tell you something real. There was a trader who went through all these stages. At first, he was excited. He made quick profits, thought he had figured it out. Then came the losses, confusion, frustration. He started jumping from strategy to strategy. Nothing worked. Then he went deeper, more indicators, more complexity, and still no consistency. One day he decided to stop, not trading, but reacting. He started journaling every trade, not just entries and exits, but emotions, why he entered, what he felt, where he broke his rules, and something shifted. He saw himself clearly, not as a victim of the market, but as the cause of his inconsistency. From there, he simplified everything. One strategy, clear rules, strict discipline. At first, results were slow, but stable, then consistent, and eventually profitable. Not because he found something new, but because he became someone new. Let me ask you something. Which stage are you in right now? Be honest. Are you still excited, frustrated, overcomplicating, or are you starting to become aware? Drop a comment below. I'm in stage blank. Not for me, but so you can face it. Because once you identify your stage, you stop fighting the process. Identity evolution. Here's the truth you need to accept. You don't become profitable by escaping these stages. You become profitable by growing through them. Each stage is shaping you, teaching you patience, discipline, self-control, and without those, no strategy will save you. Because trading is not about predicting the market, it's about managing yourself within it. If you've been struggling, if you feel like you're stuck, if you feel like you're not making progress, you're not failing, you're evolving. You're just in a stage, and stages don't last forever unless you refuse to learn from them. So don't rush, don't compare yourself, don't quit, because the trader you're trying to become is being built right now, in the frustration, in the mistakes, in the lessons you're learning. And if you stay consistent, if you stay honest with yourself, you will get there, not by accident, but by transformation. Let me leave you with this. There's a version of you that already understands everything you just heard. A version of you that knows you've been inconsistent, you've made excuses, you've avoided discipline, and deep down, you know what you need to do next. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't lose in trading because you don't know. You lose because you don't do what you do know. That's the truth. And this is where it becomes uncomfortable. Because if you've watched this far, if something in you clicked and you still scroll away without taking action, then you're choosing to stay the same. Not because you can't change, but because you won't commit. So let me challenge you right now. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. If you're serious about becoming profitable, prove it. Subscribe, not for me, but as a decision, a declaration that I'm done being the same trader. Because the truth is, people who don't commit don't change, and people who don't change stay stuck. So don't just watch, don't just agree, decide. Hit subscribe, like the video, and comment, I'm becoming disciplined. Because the next time you come back here, I don't want you to be the same person, and neither do you.